Nice work, sir. The payoff from Redstone really got us back on our feet.
Why is that Tosh guy aboard?
He wanted to talk to you in person, sir. Something about conducting more business ventures together.
You do any digging on him?
Of course. And he's no pirate. Rumor has it he's a renegade ghost. And until he vanished, he was one of the Dominion's top assassins. Now Manx hates him almost as much as he hates you.
Well, I like this guy already. Just the same, we'd best keep an eye on him.
Yes, sir.
You ever heard of a guy named Gabriel Tosh?
Only rumors. Way I hear it, he was mixed up in some covert branch of the Ghost program that produced some real scary badasses. Word was, Tosh snapped and went rogue. I'd play it real cool with that kind. He'd cut your throat soon as look at you.
I've dealt with rogue ghosts before. It's the one still working for Manx I got a problem with.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN, your first, last, and only stop for the truth. Tonight, our own Kate Lockwell uncovers a secret shadow war waged by our brave Dominion ghosts against a ruthless hidden enemy.
Thanks, Donnie. I'm talking live with a specialist in the Dominion. I understand that you and your comrades have been against a group of... What can you tell us about that?
Well, Kate, I'm not allowed to say much. But I can tell you that his allies will not. We expect them very soon.
I think we'll all sleep a little better tonight, knowing our Dominion forces are watching over us. For UNN, I'm Donnie Vermillion.
Just out of curiosity, I did some tests on the minerals from Redstone. I thought you should know I found trace quantities of Jorium, a rare crystal with very unique properties.
I'm all ears, Doc. What kind of properties?
Jorium resonates at the same frequency as certain brainwaves. It's been theorized that it could be used to stimulate brain activity or even produce psionic abilities in human subjects.
What the hell does Tosh want that for?
He is the man. We make a good team, me and you.
Why are you here, Tosh? Our business is done unless you got something else for me.
Yeah, I got another job for us on a world called Belshia. Interested?
Maybe. What's in it for me? Piracy ain't exactly my chosen path.
Everyone knows Jim Raynor wants to put the hurt on Mengsk. I can help you with that. I can help you big time.
I'll think about it. For the time being, welcome aboard the Hyperion. We'll talk later.
There's a rare gas on Belshir, the Protoss skull, the breath of creation. They think it'd be a gift from their gods. We call it Terrazine, and it'd be worth a fortune to the right bidder. Of course those Protoss will kill us if they catch us on their holy ground. Or at least they'll try. Here we go. Much prettier than Redstone, yeah?
I don't much like fighting Protoss if I can avoid it.
Not just any old Protoss. Fanatics called the Tal'Darim. They believe the Terrazine is sacred. A gift from the Xel'Naga.
If these Tal'Darim bring in their air power, they're gonna hammer us. Swan, get the Goliath schematics loaded at the factory. If their anti-air missiles are still any good, we might just pull this off.
All right, cowboy. I'll get the Goliath schematics loaded so we can build more.
How do we get to the Terrazine?
See those altars? Tal'Darim mystics set them up to collect the Terrazine. We just need to grab it.
Well, our SCVs will be able to haul the Terrazine. We just gotta keep them protected. With any luck, we can pick up what we need before the Tal'Darim find us. All right, let's get to it.
Bad news? Armed and ready.
Here are the coordinates for the Terrazine sites, brother. These should make our lives a little easier.
Our SCVs can pick up Terrazine canisters and move them. It'll take them a while to disconnect the canister, so make sure you watch out for them. SCV ready. SCV ready. This better be good.
Add-on complete.
Sure thing. You got it. SCV ready. Can't wait. Big job, huh? Yes, sir. Will do. SCV ready. What's going on? SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. Yep. Been waiting on you. Gangway, coming through. You gonna give me orders? Roger that. Huh? Yeah. Who wants some? I'm on it. Outstanding.
Transmission.
This land was sacred to the Tal'Darim before Terrans ever reached the stars. You must depart immediately.
Hold on now. We just need some of this gas here, and we'll be long gone before you know it.
No. You shall not defile the breath of creation. Tal'Darim warriors, execute all those who would desecrate our altars.
The Protoss are mobilizing, sir. Looks like they're gonna go after our SCVs when we harvest the Terrazine. I suggest we only harvest one side at a time and run with a heavy escort.
Woohoo! Overton. Been
The doctor is in.
You, by the numbers, boys. This better be good. Yes, sir. Armed and ready. Of course.
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
Wonderful. The Tal'Darim are sealing off the Terrazine altar so we can't get at them. If they keep it up, we won't be able to collect enough.
This better be good. Affirmative. I've got the first canister on hook, sir. I'll take it to the nearest command center. What's going on? Who wants some? Gangway, coming through.
Good job. That's the first canister filled.
Bad news? You gonna give me orders? Huh? Who wants some? Big job. Been waiting on you. You want a piece of me, boy? Ah! Armed and ready. Show. Big job, huh? You gonna give me orders? In the rear. Here. By the numbers, boys. Of course. Go ahead. Huh? Gotcha. Go, go, go! You got it. This better be good. Gangway, coming through. This better be good. What's going on?
Nothing.
Who wants some? Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? You want a piece of me, boy?
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
Big job, huh?
Upgrade complete.
Bad news, some help here. Out. Ah! You scared me! Yo! By the numbers, boys. Go ahead. Yeah, yeah. This better be good.
The doctor is in. You rang?
Assistance required.
Go, go, go!
down. You're doing great. Keep it up.
What's going on? Who what? In the rear with... Go ahead. By the numbers, boys. I'm on it. I feel ya. Ah! You scared me!
Incoming transmission.
You shall not steal the breath of creation so easily.
Careful. They're sending their ships to take out your SCVs. Shoot them down quick, or we're finished.
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
That's fine. Looking forward to it. Armed and ready. Go, go, go! By the numbers, boys. I feel ya.
That's over half the canisters you wanted.
This better be good. Huh? Gotcha. You gonna give me orders? Oh yeah. I'm on it. You want a piece of me, boy? Orders received. What's going on? Yeah, whatever. Been waiting. By the numbers, boys. You got it. Of course. Bad news? This better be good. That's fine. Got it. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Outstanding. Orders received. Affirmative. I'm on it. I feel
Assistance required.
got it. That's fine. Oh yeah.
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
Armed and ready. This better be good. Been waiting on you. Who wants some? That's fine. You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready. Want a piece of me, boy? Of course. Yes, sir. Why not? Gangway, coming through. 10-4. This better be good. We could use some help here. What, you got it.
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
We could use some help here. What's going on?
Better send some body bags.
This better be good.
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
Big job, huh? By the number, we could use some help here. Sure thing. Aye, aye, sir. What's going on? Who wants? You can. This better be good. Been waiting on you. Huh? Armed and ready. Been waiting on you.
Bold move, Mr. Rayner. Collecting Terrazine from 2 places at once.
Sure, it's gonna be harder to keep the Tal'Darim off our backs. But the quicker we're done here, the sooner we can get off this rock.
These reckless Terrans must be stopped. Slay them all.
We could use some help here. Want a piece of me, boy? What's going on?
You and your raiders sure can walk the walk. We just need one more canister.
The doctor is in.
Well, butter my biscuit. Yep. Roger. Been waiting on you. By the numbers, boys. Big job, huh? You gonna give me orders? This better be good.
That's the last canister. I think we've outstayed our welcome.